Organizations rely on SaaS applications more and more to get things done. But with so many specialist apps and different vendors, IT departments can get lost in the cloud. It's easy to see why. Most organizations use over 100 SaaS apps in their day-to-day tasks. For an IT team, that's a ton to manage. And that's why you need a proper plan to handle SaaS operations. So what is SaaS Ops? And how do you make it work for your team? SaaS stands for Software as a Service and refers to all the cloud-based apps your organization uses. SaaS Ops is the engine that centralizes the management of all that cloud software. It's about knowing what software you have, who uses it, how to control access to it, and what the costs and benefits of them are. The goal of SaaS Ops is to help your organization make the most out of the services they use, while keeping security risks and costs to a minimum. Why is SaaS Ops important? Taking the right approach to SaaS operations is important because it affects just about everything everyone in your organization does. Managing software services helps to control costs of subscriptions, stay secure and protect data in the cloud, streamline workflows for all users, manage multiple vendors, invest in technology wisely, and adopt new tools quickly. Starting to rethink SaaS Ops for your team? Ask for tips from a JumpCloud network expert in the comments below. How does SaaS Ops compare to traditional ops? The key difference between traditional IT ops and SaaS Ops is that traditional IT is about building and maintaining internal infrastructure, while SaaS Ops is about managing services from external vendors. Key responsibilities in SaaS Ops. With SaaS Ops, your IT team stays on top of subscriptions and vendor relationships, scaling services and new deployments and updates. It also helps other departments make the right decisions about which SaaS solutions are right for their team. Controlling access, providing security, and making sure SaaS tools are compliant with data and privacy laws is another key focus for SaaS Ops. Deploying a disaster recovery and backup plan is paramount to any organization relying on SaaS services. SaaS Ops needs to be fast and nimble to keep new innovations and the needs of your business aligned. The best way to start is by centralizing SaaS management on a single platform that lets you monitor all services from one hub. From there, implement strong access controls to keep your organization safe. Train users to increase proficiency and teach them how to avoid security risks. Streamline integrations between different third-party providers by facilitating data flow between apps and setting up users with single sign-on. And keep track of the way your teams are using SaaS tools and how often they use them so your organization gets the most out of their investment. Successful SaaS Ops brings external services, security, and asset management together. JumpCloud has an all-in-one solution that gives your IT team visibility into the apps and cloud infrastructure your team relies on. Check out the description for the link to the full blog and see how JumpCloud supports your SaaS operations.